Member House of Representatives where they represent Ovia Federal Constituency and Deputy Governorship Candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC for Edo State, Honorable Idahosa don donate 500 kVA transformer give Ogua community for Ofuwegbe ward for Ovia Northeast local government of the state. For the donation, Honorable Idahosa say it is important to provide light for this part of the community wey don dey without public power supply for over 7 months, and say no doubt say the light for the community go boost economic and social activities for the area and also improve the standard of living of the people.
Politics do play because if no see the manare or timana the chama Ogua for many months now, over a year, where Ogua Mopa Kana Mupa Ogua Emana Gelemwe and I'm your budget. Nania, I was ready. And then now, all will be a movie. Anime or Sagbe Morwe. Ogua community. Because the politics here, Ogua ume for you. No, election as a nene, I had 5,000. Why you saying? Anyone, the two Ogua, Ovia will not be the next deputy governor. Women empowerment.
Lucky Imaswen, Charity Amayevo, and other leaders for the community for their thank you talk. Konya say
Ogua community, yes, of Umegbe, of the Northeast local government. Imarevena, Lukman Ovima, Right Honorable Idahosa, by the grace of God, the incoming Deputy Governor of Edo State. Why Godwin Obaseki is busy using the Edo State government to organize rallies and protests against the federal government. Ovima, Right Honorable Idahosa, is using the federal government money to bring development to our community. Why Godwin Obaseki is busy rebacking the government rights and says where he will present churches. Idahosa is busy commissioning projects in Ovia Federal Constituency. Ovima is very simple. Election now is one way. One way in this whole world. Why me a PDP war? Kobe Obaseki a governor for 8 years. Has he done anything in this world? Able where to whom much is given, much is expected. I don't want to say, I vote my incoming deputy governor. Please tell our governor incoming that Ofumegbe ward is 99% APC. 100%. The 1% no carry only between now to September 21st. So no shaking in Ofumegbe ward. Ofumegbe is in tax. my Ogi Oba live now. Ogi Oba be voting them now. Eri ata man I do one high. I do for you. Egenu man I wono na. Ogua be with you. Right from almost a day time we not can your house. Mama lose them and there. On my way we do your birthday. We now we donate 500 kVA transformer. Ogua is something behind you, sir. I assure you. I hope one up back. Menoro, we are not to see Yami Waye. We are more cool. We are make sure we are going to deliver. This is so they are with you, sir. Physically, spiritually, and otherwise.
I take I want to drink coke. No, you start being away. And I be a bed day. So I'm no more better. So I'm the actor walking away, me, and I know I'm my having with my able to marry me to boom. And then my able in and then my Jagani your best, my able to. My ever tell you, my idea be your question. No, can I be a pretty power here? Oh, who am I? What they are told that level. I get you money, I have you already know. My happy, my hair, my dad so wow. When my area, my hair so wow. APC!
Nana for Bukada. Egoino, Avega Coco, Egoino, a different thing, empowerment, election ya ni wo fún ibi wo ni ala chama ro pa ni efe ni ro all credit o ge no a so wa nwe ne am no iba ise ya ni a o awa ji na awe election ma wa awe election la ni a APC so ba wa no go no party no go go na more than APC after it make am oluku na ja a party of the Ogua at present more than APC. So whether you marry the police, I go and never come about that very day. I walk with you. I walk with the police, that's why security that very day. Not we are going to one here. My security that very day. That be by one way on my table. Come up you Ogua is like a go up with it goes again. You don't want that very day. Nobody play with you, everybody nobody appear with everybody. So a very thing where and also go here
make una no forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Ogua community, Ovia Northeast local government area of Edo State. Ekata Ojisale, TMC TV News.